Wipe down. Quick cleaning makes everything look fresh again. Can you wipe down the table before dinner? She wiped down the fridge shelves to keep everything fresh. Scrub. Some stains need extra effort to disappear. He scrubbed the bathtub until it sparkled. I need to scrub these pots. Last night's dinner was a mess. Sweep up. Floors look instantly better after a good sweep. She swept up the broken glass, carefully. Can you sweep up the kitchen floor before guests arrive? Mop up. Spills and stains don't stand a chance. He mopped up the juice spill before it got sticky. Let's mop up the hallway. It's full of muddy footprints. Take out. No one likes an overflowing trash bin. He took out the garbage before the smell took over. Can you take out the recycling before the truck arrives? Put away. Tidiness starts with putting things in their place. She put away the dishes after they dried. Let's put away these toys before bedtime. Load up. Fill it up and let the machine do the work. She loaded up the dishwasher after dinner. Can you load up the laundry machine? We're running out of clean clothes. Fold up. Neatly folded laundry feels so satisfying. She folded up the fresh towels and stacked them neatly. I need to fold up the blankets before guests arrive. Hang up. Avoid wrinkles, hang it right away. He hung up his coat as soon as he walked in. Can you hang up the wet clothes outside? Straighten up. A few tweaks make a big difference. She straightened up the couch cushions before guests arrived. Let's straighten up the dining chairs. They look messy. Unclog. A slow drain means trouble ahead. He unclogged the bathroom sink using a plunger. Let's unclog the shower drain. It's been acting up again. Flush out. Wash away anything stuck inside. She flushed out the coffee machine to remove old residue. We need to flush out the water pipes after that repair. Tidy up. A quick fix to make everything look neat. She tidied up the bedroom before bedtime. Let's tidy up the living room before the guests arrive. Restock. Never run out of the essentials. He restocked the toilet paper in the bathroom. Can you restock the fridge with milk and eggs? Freshen up. A little touch makes things feel new. She freshened up the guest room with a scented candle. Let's freshen up the sofa with some fabric spray. Shake out. Get rid of dust and crumbs in seconds. She took the welcome mat outside and shook it out. Can you shake out the blankets before putting them back on the bed? Declutter. Less mess, more space. She decluttered her closet, donating what she didn't wear. Let's declutter the kitchen and get rid of old appliances. Organize. Everything looks better in order. He organized the bookshelf by color. She organized the pantry to make everything easier to find. Rinse off. A quick rinse keeps things from getting sticky. She rinsed off the plates before loading the dishwasher. Can you rinse off the blender after making the smoothie? Set up. Getting things ready makes life easier. He set up the dining table for a cozy dinner. Let's set up the guest room before they arrive. Dust off. A quick swipe makes old things look new. She dusted off the picture frames to make them shine again. I should dust off the TV stand before we have company. Air out. Fresh air changes the whole vibe of a room. She aired out the bedroom to get rid of the stale smell. Let's air out the house after frying fish. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts.